Very good morning, students. Welcome back to online class. Today we are going to discuss mass in measurement lesson, which is the first unit in physics. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. It is denoted by the symbol kg. 1 kilogram is the mass of a particular international prototype cylinder made of platinum iridium alloy. We have so many units for measuring mass. Like we discussed in the last class, length we have larger and smaller units. Likewise, for measuring mass also we have smaller units and larger units. Smaller units: milligrams, centigrams, decigrams, grams, decagrams, hectograms. These and all example for smaller units. Larger units: kilograms, quintal, ton. These are larger units for measuring mass. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, students. 1 ton is equal to 1000 kilogram. We should know the difference, students. 1 ton is equal to 1000 kilograms. 1 quintal is equal to 100 kilogram. 1 quintal is equal to 100 kilogram. Atomic mass. Mass of a proton, neutron and electron can be determined using atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit, in short form we can take it as AMU. 1 atomic mass unit is nothing, is equal to 1 by 12th of carbon. 1 by 12th of mass of carbon 12 atom. 1 by 12th of the mass of carbon 12 atom. Atomic mass unit is defined as a mass exactly equal to on 12th the mass of carbon 12 atom. This is a proper definition we have for atomic mass unit. Mass or weight. We have a doubt. Is it both are same or different? It's exactly both are different. Mass, which I told you already, is nothing but amount of matter contained in the body. Amount of matter contained in the body. But weight is nothing but weight is equal to the product between mass into gravity. Listen the formula, students. Weight is nothing but is the product between mass into gravity. Mass into gravity. Let me explain the difference between mass and weight, students. Look at the picture carefully. Look at the person. The person mass on earth is equal to 70 kilogram. If we wanted to measure the weight of the particular person, we need to multiply the mass with gravity. That is, which I told you already. W is equal to, W stands for weight, is equal to mass into gravity. Mass is 70 kilogram. Gravity is nothing but 9.8. If you multiply this both, we are getting 686 Newton. This is the weight of the particular person on earth. The same weight of the person in space, already we know the formula. W is equal to mass into gravity. So mass already we know well 70 kg. Gravity value is 0 in space. So finally weight is equal to 0 in space. Did you understand, students? Mass is a fundamental quantity. Weight is a derived quantity. Already I explained very clearly about derived quantity and fundamental quantity, which we discussed earlier. So mass is a fundamental quantity, weight is a derived quantity. Mass has magnitude alone, so it is a scalar quantity. But weight has magnitude and direction, so it is a vector quantity. Mass is nothing but, I told you many times, it is the amount of matter contained in a body. Weight, it is the normal force exerted by the surface on the object against gravitational pull. Mass remains the same everywhere, but weight varies from place to place. Mass is measured using physical balance. Weight is measured using spring balance. The unit of mass is kilogram. The unit of weight is Newton. I hope everybody understands, students. Let me explain. Time is a measure of duration of events and the intervals between them. Time is a measure of duration of events and the intervals between them. The SI unit of time is second. The SI unit of time is second. We have smaller and larger units for time also. Larger units for measuring time are day, month, year and millennium, etc. 1 millennium is equal to 3.16 into 10 power 9 second. 1 millennium is equal to 3.16 into 10 power 9 second. What are the smaller units which we have for time? Minute, microsecond, these and all smaller units for time. Millisecond also is a smaller unit for time. The one and only SI unit for time is second. Temperature. Temperature is the measure of hotness or coldness of a body. What is the temperature, students? Temperature is the measure of hotness or coldness of a body. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. 1 Kelvin is the fraction of 1 by 273 of thermodynamic temperature of the triple point of water. The temperature at which saturated water vapor, pure water and melting ice are in equilibrium. 0 Kelvin is commonly known as absolute zero. 0 Kelvin is commonly known as absolute zero. The other units for measuring temperature are degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. What are the other units, students? The other units for measuring temperature are degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. So the one and only SI unit for temperature is Kelvin. I hope everybody understands, students. Thank you.